Hey guys, welcome to the channel.
Today,
this is my friend, and she's gonna unbox this blind bag with me. Yeah, it's a sanrio blind bag.
it might be backwards for you, but
It really says
it really
sanrio.
says sanrio.
And then it's a friendship edition. So that's why we're opening it together.
Yeah.
So first, let's look at the back.
We could get
Common,
like a common,
rare,
legendary, or
and
mystic.
I really want to get mystic,
Me too.
because of course everyone wants.
But
to
if
get
not mystic, then probably like a legendary.
Yeah.
At
And
least a
then
legendary.
it says what you get. You get sanrio stickers, sanrio figure, and others, and other sanrio things. So over here it says "Rip me off." Oops.
So here's what we like. It said "rip me off," so we
It
ripped
says,
off Kuromi.
Yeah. And then here there's the figure checklist, but we're gonna open it once we find the figure.
Yeah.
So we're gonna open it.
We're gonna cut it open for now.
Oop. So the first item we have. Okay, wait. This is bag 4. This is bag 4, bag 5, bag 1. Surprise tree.
The thing.
Bag 2. And yeah. Okay.
Wait, let's put them in order. Bag 1. Here's bag 2.
Well, she's putting it in order.
Bag 2.
I'm gonna open what I got. I'm super excited because
Is this a 9 or 4?
that says 4.
3.
And it says you got. It says purple.
So
Which was,
we got Mystic.
I'm so happy.
Okay,
Okay, so let's open the first one.
Let's open bag
Sanrio
number
figure. Before we open it, we're gonna see the checklist.
Oh wow!
And yeah, so
I feel like we're
we're gonna
gonna
get Hello Kitty, but it ripped off. Pom Pom Purin, purple Kuromi, normal Kuromi, hot pink My Melody, light pink My Melody, Choco Cat, I don't know what, cinnamon roll, Kuropi, whatever its name is, and another Kuropi. So let's open it.
There's two there's two types of Kuropis. So
Yeah.
yeah.
3, 2, 1. The moment of truth.
Moment of truth. We got Kuromi.
Yay! We got
The purple Kuromi.
purple Kuromi. Isn't it so cute?
Very peppy aesthetic. And if you guys don't agree with us, we're gonna we're gonna box you.
Oh, okay. Okay, so this one kind of rubbed off. So this one kind of rubbed off. It's the stickers
This is
bag.
stickers. This is number 2.
Let's show them the stickers.
There's more than one?
There's 2.
Oh.
Okay. So first, you can already see it a bit, but
Yeah, because it's clear.
yeah, but that's okay.
So we have
The first one is
Pom Pom.
the first one is Pom Pom Purin wearing a mask.
And then the second one, it disappeared into thin air.
Yeah.
But it's like
It was,
it was gumball.
Yeah, it was a Kuromi gumball, but it's okay. So next is the third one.
This is
The
the
third
third
one is
The
surprise
friendship bracelet.
friendship bracelets. I'm actually really excited to open this one.
Yeah, it's my first friendship bracelet with her.
Yeah. So we're gonna open it. It's in a big Kinder Joy. Open it. It's like an egg. It's hard to open. Okay, so first there's a Kuromi one and a My Melody one. Aren't they so cute?
Real.
Which one do you want?
This one. I'll take this one.
And I'll take this one. So, wait, let's not wear it yet. Let's put it here. Okay, guys, so
So
next,
we're moving on to the next bag.
And we're gonna
Number
do
4.
So,
Sorry
it
for the background
says,
noise, guys. Sorry for
yeah,
the background
yeah.
noise.
It says it's a friendship one.
So
and
let's open
there's
it.
keychains. You can open
How do you know there's keychains?
because it says it.
Oh.
Okay. So the keychains it has is a Kuromi one
And my Melody one.
Can I have the Kuromi because you already have the Kuromi bracelet?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So this is our friendship keychains, the Kuromi and the My Melody. We're gonna put them with our bracelets. And the next one is a sanrio clip. It's just a normal one. There's only one. And it's
Pochaco.
It's so cute. Oops.
Sorry for the background noise. We're very sorry.
Yeah.
Like we're in a children's hospital right now.
No, we're not. And then there's this. Yeah.
This spinny thing.
Yeah, and it's a clip. Okay, since we're done all of that, we're gonna review what we got. So first we got this. Yeah.
And then we got like the rip it off.
Yeah. And then these, I found the other sticker. It's like this.
The clip.
The keychains.
And the bracelets.
Now let's put on the bracelets. And put everything in this Kinder Joy.
Girl.
Yep. And let's put it here for safekeeping. Not safekeeping, so we can keep it forever.
Yeah.
Because it's really nice, all these items.
It needs to be in memory while
Yeah.
at least one of us moves.
Yeah, so that's the end of our video.
But like if one of us moves closer to each other, then you don't need that.
Yeah, so that's the end of our video. Thanks for watching. Bye.